gym today.
Turn left.
I made it to. We don't need you no more, sir. We know
Turn
where we
right,
are.
and then turn
Woo,
left.
woo, woo. What an adventure. Stop. Okay. I made it to the gym. It starts at 12 o'clock. I'm here at 11:56. But I'm gonna show y'all why I had to be a few minutes early. The class actually really doesn't start until like 12:10, but you gotta be like, you check in as well. But let me show you guys what I have on. Ooh, are there parks in the front? Woo, woo, woo. Ooh, look what I have on. So it was cold and my jacket is in the laundry. So I said, I'm just gonna put on my robe and wear my robe up here because it's a 40-minute drive. So I tried to touch up my hair, but it was a fail. I only did the middle, like this part, and then I did the perimeter. Now the perimeter turned out amazing, this part, but this up here, I think I just need to stretch it because now you can see considerably that this is more stretched out than this. Like you can see where not so much on this side, but on this side you can for sure see like where I did only this one portion of a redone wash and go. So let me go ahead, get tight, and I'm gonna go in to the gym. And ooh, I could have been propped y'all up. Ooh. I just have on this Nike sports bra, another like brown bra that I have underneath, and then my black tights that are too short for me to be wearing to the gym, but we're here now. All right, I'm gonna go knock this out and then I'm gonna go hang out with the girls and pack to go see my dad on Thursday, tomorrow. We have a jam-packed day today because I'm gonna do gym, another lash appointment at 3. We'll talk about it later. And then 5 o'clock I should have teletherapy. So yeah. Just finished our workout. I gotta clean these. I just got these, y'all, and they're already dirty. Target. I kind of want to go to the juice bar, but kind of don't feel like going up there. Okay, heading to Kate's house to hang out, or maybe somewhere else, we'll see. So the other day we did the straight ginger shot, and then Bree did the ginger turmeric, and it has like other stuff in it. Today I got the one she got. I'm doing it in the privacy of my car because they're not about to see me choke in public on period. And then I'm gonna chase it with my smoothie. Oh, Jesus, be offense. Oh, but girl, you gonna be fine. Okay. Ginger just sucks. Like, ginger is... like, everything about that was not bad except that ginger. That ginger getting your... Mm-mm. Mm-mm. All right, see y'all. See y'all. Oh, well, the food's gone. But there was a whole layout out here. I thought I was gonna catch it, but everything's moving so quickly.
Where's the process?
One of these drawers?
No, I've just been missing for a little minute.
Wow. They're upsetting you and your homegirls?
Yes. Let me pop this little Prosecco.
I didn't know you were leaving tomorrow, Jelly. I thought you were staying until New Year's.
I am. I'm going to Dallas temporarily to be with my family.
Wow, me too. Same.
Okay, when you was walking out the door, you looked like you was walking James to the car.
Left to merge onto I-20 East.
Okay, so I just left the girls. Just hanging out for a little bit. I need to take a shower, throw on this sweatsuit so I could go to my lash appointment. So let me tell you guys what happened and why I only have like 6 lashes left in this eye. So I think it was a combination of several things, probably more so on my part than anything. I had, what did I do? So I watched Stepmom, which always makes me cry, and
At the light, turn left.
that didn't help. And then I also washed my hair. So I don't know. I'm not gonna say that it had anything to do with the tech because my lashes were beautiful. I'm just glad that this new girl was able to fit me in such short notice. I think combination of me, my sweat being like salt and water, and then my tears being salt and water, and then just me in general probably being rough with my eyes. I don't know. I probably just messed it up myself, but it's okay. She was able to put me in.
Take exit 67 to merge onto I-285 toward Greenville.
She was able to put me in like super last minute. I booked this appointment I think last night, and she has a special on Wednesdays that I was able to catch. So I'm heading there now. I think we're both gonna get to her house like around the same time. And so yeah, I will show you guys probably like a little video of me getting my lashes done, and then the after, of course. And we'll see what we're gonna get into tonight. The girls are going to Ruth Chris. I'm probably not gonna go there. I'm just trying to see who's going to do me a favor tomorrow. So that will determine whether I stay in the city or I go back to the boondocks where my parents reside. All right, see you in a little bit. So I realized I never showed you guys my lashes. You can't really see them right here, but they turned out really pretty. So hopefully we have better luck with these. I'm leaving tomorrow to go see my dad and that side of the family, so there's that. I just left Burlington to get some Christmas presents for him, and then like something that I knew my mom would like. You know, I told y'all she likes to decorate, so we have I got her those things to put outside the door, because right now she still has the fall stuff out, and I just think it would look better if she switched it out. So I think that's it. I am in the Panda drive-thru because I want some chow mein and teriyaki sauce, and I guess we'll see each other tomorrow. I'm going to try my hardest to get up in the morning, go to the gym at 5:30 a.m. and then like edit 2 vlogs, upload them so that Christmas Eve and Christmas Day I don't have to upload. But we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna try to go to bed early tonight. So we'll see you guys in the next one. By the time you see this, it will be Christmas Day. So happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, and Happy Hanukkah. And we'll see you guys in the next one. This was fun. I'm gonna keep it going. I'm gonna keep vlogging because I had to have 100 uploads this year. So there's that.
So, gonna come back first before you order. Would you like to try honey sesame chicken today?
Is it spicy?
No, it's sweet.
Okay. I'll try it.
You want the bowl? You want a plate, man?
Can I get a bowl, but I want it in separate containers?
You want...
I just don't want it to touch. I just don't like
How about I put the white to go bowl? Is it okay?
That's fine.
Okay. So you want rice or chow mein with that?
Chow mein, please.
Chow mein and honey sesame? Okay.
Yes.
Alright. Anything else?
Do you guys have the packets of teriyaki sauce?
The which one?
The teriyaki sauce?
I have it in the cup.
Okay, can I get 3 of them, please?
It's gonna be 75 cents. That's fine. For 3.
That's fine. Hello?
I can give you 1 or 2, but limit only 1. But I can give you 2, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Is that all? Just pull up?
You say chow mein, right?
Yes, please.
Oh, okay. That's fine. You can pull it. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.